Hey guys, so this is my unboxing of the Evecase for the iPhone 6 Plus. Got this from Amazon. If you're not a Prime member, then you would have to pay $9.99. If you're a Prime member, then you save $1. You only pay $8.99. So this is how it looks like. Let's unbox this. It's not really a box. It's in a bag. And me, I'm using one hand. Bring it. Alright, I'm going to eat this. Oops. Okay, let's see. Well, this part is rubber. This one is plastic. This part here is plastic. And then this one is rubber. That's odd. This is a kickstand, so it should come out the other way. Why is it? This thing looks like it's broken. Oh, maybe it's really like that. Let's see. I need to fix this. Ah, there you go. Alright. So that's how it looks like. So you can't do portrait. You can only do landscape. And you can't move this. It's just one position. Landscape, that's it. So, I don't know. Not sure if your phone will be protected if you drop it. This is a very thin plastic. I don't think it's gonna last. I mean, it is a cheap case. Okay, well, that's it for my unboxing. I'm not sure if this will protect your phone, but the way it looks is nice. I mean, you know, you can put pictures. It's a clear case. Anyway, that's my unboxing of the Evecase for the iPhone 6 Plus. Amazon is selling it for $8.99 right now.